The Middle Ages, spanning roughly from the 5th to the 15th century, were a period of significant intellectual, cultural, and scientific development. While often characterized as a time of intellectual stagnation, the Middle Ages witnessed advancements in various scientific fields. Here are some curiosities about science in the Middle Ages. Preservation and translation of ancient texts. During the Middle Ages, scholars in the Islamic world played a crucial role in preserving and translating classical Greek and Roman texts. They translated and studied works by renowned ancient thinkers such as Aristotle, Euclid, and Ptolemy, which laid the foundation for later scientific advancements. Islamic scientific achievements. The Islamic Golden Age, 8th to 14th centuries, was a period of remarkable scientific progress. Scholars in the Islamic world made significant contributions to mathematics, astronomy, medicine, optics, and other fields. They developed algebra, advanced astronomical instruments, made important medical discoveries, and pioneered advancements in optics. Medieval universities. The establishment of universities during the Middle Ages facilitated scientific education and research. Institutions like the University of Bologna, founded in 1088, and the University of Paris, founded around 1150, became centers of learning and intellectual exchange. Scholars conducted scientific investigations, wrote treatises, and disseminated knowledge. Alchemy and the pursuit of transmutation. Alchemy, a precursor to modern chemistry, was prominent during the Middle Ages. Alchemists sought to transform base metals into noble metals like gold and silver. Although they did not achieve this transmutation, alchemical experiments laid the groundwork for the development of laboratory techniques and the understanding of chemical processes. Medieval medical practices. Medical knowledge during the Middle Ages was influenced by the works of ancient Greek and Roman physicians, such as Hippocrates and Galen. Medical treatments included the use of herbal remedies, bloodletting, and the practice of humoral theory, which emphasized balancing bodily fluids. Surgery was also performed, although it was considered a low-status occupation. Cathedrals as scientific laboratories. The construction of grand cathedrals during the Middle Ages served not only religious purposes but also as centers for scientific inquiry. Architects, mathematicians, and engineers worked on cathedral designs, incorporating principles of geometry, mechanics, and physics. Flying buttresses, for example, were architectural innovations that distributed weight and allowed for taller structures. Astrolabes and navigational instruments. The astrolabe, a versatile astronomical instrument, was widely used in the Middle Ages. It allowed astronomers to measure celestial positions, determine the time, and navigate. Navigational instruments such as the compass and quadrant were also developed, aiding sailors in their travels. Medieval bestiaries. Bestiaries were popular collections of animal descriptions during the Middle Ages. While they may not align with modern scientific understanding, they reflected the medieval mindset and blended elements of natural history, mythology, and religious symbolism. Bestiaries often depicted fantastic creatures alongside real animals, conveying moral or religious lessons. Studying the stars. Astronomy flourished in the Middle Ages, particularly among Islamic scholars. Observatories were established, and astronomers made significant advancements in measuring celestial positions, developing star charts, and improving astronomical instruments. Islamic astronomers also contributed to our understanding of planetary motion and developed influential theories. Influence on Renaissance science. The scientific knowledge preserved and developed during the Middle Ages laid the foundation for the scientific advancements of the Renaissance. Many Renaissance thinkers built upon the works of medieval scholars, embracing observation, experimentation, and the scientific method to further our understanding of the natural world. While scientific progress in the Middle Ages may not have been as rapid as in other periods, it is important to recognize the contributions made by scholars during this era.